That's how much extra I have on this one. And I don't know. I did the same thing, but I don't know. I'm in love, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you are here. My name is Zaria and I'm a crochet artist. What is up, y'all? Thank y'all for joining me for another video today. I don't really know what the plan is for today's video, but I'm just gonna be crocheting. I'm planning on crocheting my Valentine's Day collection today so I can get good pictures of it, because tomorrow is a snow day. Tomorrow is a snow day, and if y'all didn't know, I live in South Louisiana, so the last time I saw snow was 2017. So for my Valentine's Day collection, I want to crochet 3 items. 1 being hand warmers, 2 a scarf, and 3 some type of headwear. I don't know if it's going to be a hat or a headband yet, but we're going to see. So far, I've already started on the hand warmers. Do y'all want to see them? There, so yeah, okay. So here, I've only done 1, but here it is. It's just a white and red classic Valentine's Day. And this is what it looks like on. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to make the other one. But this was actually really easy to make. So I will, as always, link the tutorial down below. I'm planning on having that done by tomorrow so I can take some pretty pictures in the snow. I'm so excited. That's all we're doing. It's just a chill vibe, snow day, crochet with me type video. So yeah, before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Anything about YouTube, I do need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. So if you guys like my videos and want me to keep making content, please help me get monetized. I really appreciate that. Also, make sure you like this video and comment down below what you think of it. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna just talk to y'all for a while. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. What's been up, y'all? It's 2025. I'm excited for everything I'm gonna make this year. I like have so many ideas. I really want to get more into my own creativity, making my own patterns and stuff like that. I don't know. I have I need to I never finished my vision board. I was supposed to finish it like when this year first started, and the month is almost over. But this January has been going by fast at like the speed of light. Like, slow down. And just so much has been happening, and TikTok, and it's too much. It's too much. Yeah, I don't even know, what was I talking about? I don't know. I'm just so excited for these hand warmers. This is literally like so cute. I can't get over it. I don't know what I really want to do for the scarf and the hat, but it'll come to me, I promise. You know what I kind of want to do? I kind of want to do a hat, but that's like tapestry. Like, I've seen like people do like the words on their hats, and it's like tapestry. But every time I try to do tapestry crochet, it don't really work out. But it's been a long time since I tried, because the last time I tried, I was like, yeah, I'm never doing that again. And I've been standing on business up until now, I guess. But I got to do it someday. So what better day than today? I'm gonna be back when I have some progress, because I said I wanted to talk to y'all, but I don't want to just sit up here and yap, because I don't want to edit that. So yeah, I'll be back when I have some progress. The wrist part is done. Now we're about to start working up this way. Hey y'all, so it's done. Well, not done. Now I just have to do the red at the top, red at the bottom, and a little heart, and then it's done, and then we have a full set. I'm excited. I don't know why this one came out bigger. I think I did too many rows at the bottom, but it's okay. That's what we're looking like. They're done. I don't know why. I don't know. I think I did too many rows on the ribbon at the bottom. So that's why this one is bigger than this one. You can tell. I didn't think you would be able to tell, but you can definitely tell. I don't know. How can I fix that? It's like a whole, like... There we go. Oh my God. I don't know if I can, like, fix that. But, like, the whole middle part is so big. But it's okay. They're cute. I think they're cute. Oh my goodness. See, like, that's how much extra I have on this one. And I don't know. I did the same thing, but I don't know. Anyways. But yeah, I have to run some errands. So I will be back to start on the next item. But the first thing is done. Isn't that crazy? Hey y'all, last time I think we talked, it was like around 2 something. It's like 6 o'clock. I'm back home. I went to Dollar Tree because I didn't have any more red yarn after the hand warmers. So they have their pound of yarn skeins for $5. So I got a red one and I got a white one. I started making a hat. I don't know if I said, but I'm in the bathroom because it's dark now and I don't feel like getting out my light. But I started on a hat. I decided to make a beanie. This is gonna be my first like top down beanie. I've made like a rib beanie where it's just like a big rectangle and you connect it. But this will be my first like top down beanie. And what I'm planning on doing is having like a row of white in the middle, but it's gonna have hearts on it, and then it's gonna continue being red. I don't know how to explain it. But when I get to that part, I'm gonna be back with you. Excuse this angle, this light, everything. But it's 7:07, so it's been like an hour and a few minutes. This will not stay up. I'm gonna have to hold it. But it's been like an hour and some time. This is how much I've gotten on the beanie. I think I need to do like 2 more rows before it gets to the heart rows. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all when I get to those rows. Good morning. Please excuse this bad lighting, but it wasn't supposed to start snowing until like 8, 9, but I woke up and everything's already snowed over. Oh my God, let me show y'all. This is out my window right now and it's still coming down. We're supposed to get like 4 or 5 inches, so excuse my bonnet, but I did finish the hat last night. Let me show you. This is how the hat ended up turning out. Look, it is so cute. I'm gonna show you how it looks. If you can hear the water dripping, it's so the pipes don't burst, but look. I think it came out amazing. I know the hand warmers aren't gonna match exactly because I used a different color red, but let's see. OMG, so cute. I'm in love with y'all. That is so cute. I don't know if I'll have time to make a scarf all today, but I'm gonna try. And here's our backyard. Oh my God, I forgot to bring in our chairs. It's crazy. It's like we've already gotten like almost an inch, so I think we're supposed to get like 4 or 5. I just needed to get thicker so I could go outside and build a snowman.
Packed it in there though? Like, yeah. What? It wasn't packed though.
Okay, I'm gonna pack it more this time.
Okay, she go pack it more.
Okay.
She rolled it.
Why did nobody tell us that making snowmen was very hard? This is what we got though. I think he looks cute. Rocking something I made like a year ago. Hey y'all, it's like 2 days later. I really enjoyed myself in the snow. I realized I didn't end off the video, so here I am to do a little outro. But we actually still have snow on the ground, as you can see through the window. my building creates a lot of shade, so we're gonna have that for a while, but it's starting to melt off the trees and stuff. And look at our little snowman. He's melting, but he's still there. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching it. Thank y'all for spending some time with me, making memories for me. I feel like this is the first real snow day I've ever had, because it snowed down here, but it's never been this much. We got like 6.5 inches of snow. Like, we got a lot of snow. I've never seen that much snow in my life, and it was just amazing and wonderful, and I'm glad I got to experience it. If you guys did like this video, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.